Next time you go to the grocery store, take a look at raspberries and see how many different shades of red you can find. Most likely it's going to be just one. That is the nice red shade of the raspberries I'm showing in my slide. Now, how come at the grocery store we find so many different colors and even color combinations for apples? But then when it comes to raspberry, we only get one single red shade. The reason is simple. This is the red shade that consumers associate with high quality and fresh raspberries. Anything darker or lighter than this could be perceived as either overripe or underripe, and such berries would end up sitting on the shelf unsold. Therefore, fruit color is a key trait for marketability of raspberries, and scientists who work on the development of new raspberry varieties need to make sure that the color of the fruit of the new varieties they develop match exactly the market standards. However, this is a challenging task for scientists. Raspberry fruit color, just like eye color in humans, is regulated at the genetic level. And we know there are multiple areas underlying this trait. What we still don't know is where in the raspberry DNA these regions are located. And here's where my project comes to the rescue. As part of my research project, I've measured fruit color from 1,000 genetically distinct variety of raspberries. I've optimized the method to measure color of 96 raspberry puree samples at the same time, using digital imaging and software. I've already seen there is tremendous variation across the fruit color of the plants that I'm studying, but this information alone doesn't say much. So I'm taking the project to the next level, and now I'm screening the DNA of each individual plant in my 1,000 panel of plants, looking for variation at the DNA level. Once I get this data, I will be able to match the variation observed in fruit color with the variation detected at the genetic level. And this information may allow me to pinpoint the regions behind the different shades of red that we see in raspberries. This information will be extremely helpful for scientists, as it will make their work much more efficient and precise. And we will still continue to enjoy raspberries with spectacular red color. Thank you.